Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this neat 5-in-1 smart all-in-one cookware set, and Alva was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now that's a big mouthful because it does a whole bunch. Check out how nice and neat this stacks. This would be great if you are in a small house, apartment, dorm room, something like that, because this all stacks nice and neat. You get your frying pan right here. It does have a little spout on here, slash place that you can hold your utensils on there. That spout works great along with the strainer right here. So you just put this on here, boom, there you go. One less thing you have to have in your house, because you're not gonna need a strainer now, colander, whatever you wanna call it, because this duals as that. You have the smaller pot right here, boom, there you go, and it does come with the smaller lid right here. Same thing, it's going to have the strainer as well as the regular pour right there. You go, you can put that on there, and then additionally this lid right here, you can take it and it does also fit on your pot. So boom, there you go. Everything is good to go. The bottom of these, this is what they look like right there. The inside of these has the ceramic coating, which is PFAS free, and this is going to work on all of your cooking surfaces, such as your gas stove, electric stove, ceramic and halogen stove, induction stove. They are dishwasher safe and they are oven safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Overall, nice little stackable, smart set right here that, you know, doesn't take up too much room. So if you're looking for something like this, whether it be for yourself or a housewarming gift, college is starting up, great for dorms, go ahead and check this one out.